This is actually an active subwoofer. So this video is just some information about how I made this active subwoofer in a minimum budget. The subwoofer cost is almost around 5,000 something, and including the service charge it will become almost 6,000, around 6,000. That's the cost, total cost. So you just watch how I made it. This is the box, and I used to cut here to place this acrylic sheet here to connect the input and volume control. Here you can see the RCA connection for LFE input, and the next hole is for the volume control, and this is the control. We need to fix it here, and finally we will screw it to the box. Okay, so now it will fix here nicely, and we will seal it from inside. This shield wire should be connected to the input, and from the input it will go through the volume control to the subwoofer power amplifier board here. And first let me connect and check how the output is performing, and then we can make any changes if needed. Here is the input, and now we will check using NCS.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Okay, now the bass and the overall tone coming out from the subwoofer is, I think there is a problem, and that's not the problem. The problem that I'm feeling now is like a faded type, a low quality output. It may be because of the input and output impedance mismatch, and we need to solve it using a gainer or a type of buffer stage. Buffer stage means it's an emitter follower, like voltage follower with a current amplifier. That is that's what we call buffer amplifier, and we need to fix it and test it whether it is an impedance matching issue. This is a single transistor buffer amplifier that I have built myself. And first of all, we will check how it is performing, and then if it is improving something in the sound level, then we will fix it inside the box. We can solve that input and output impedance issue. So here I have connected the input from the input connection to this single wire, and we will test it one by one by direct input and from the buffer output, and we can experience if there is any change in the quality of the output. So what do you think? There is a huge difference in the sound quality, and so I'm gonna fix it here. I'm gonna fix the op amp, buffer amp inside. Okay, so this is the overall circuit materials that we need to place inside the box. And first of all, we will start with the AC cord, AC input, and then fix the board inside, and then finally the panel. So now you need to screw and fix all the board here, and after that you need to add damping material, and then only the woofer. We will test with the woofer. This is the damping material that I'm using. It is a Recron sheet. It's a 1-inch thick Recron sheet. It is around 300 per meter, 300 rupees per meter, and for this type of box of this volume, we just need a 1-inch thick damping material inside. So after fixing this, we connect the subwoofer and finally the back panel. So now this is the subwoofer that I'm using. It's a toyotone 10-inch subwoofer, and they have several variants of colors. This is a gold shaded cone, a 10-inch gold shaded toyotone. Before one of my video, I have introduced a red cone, same type of red cone subwoofer, 10-inch subwoofer also from Toyotone. You can see how the build is. It's almost best value for money, and the 2200 watts that you are seeing is a bit of is a type of marketing strategy, so don't bother. We just know it is almost 160 watts, so the connection is easy. After screwing the woofer here, we will fix the panel. Okay, so let me play some music and we can test the bass response, how it is responding to the LFE output of a ordinary home theater. I have disconnected the front channel speaker, so the bass, the sub itself is playing now. It's an action movie. NCS music. Okay, so I didn't play it so loud because it's almost midnight here. Still, we can experience the level of output coming from the subwoofer. So while I was assembling before, I tested it loud, and I know how it performed. And the loudness you can experience from the phone, the recording of the phone. At a minimum budget like 7,000 something, we can almost build a type of active subwoofer. If you are building a theater, a dedicated theater, or if you are a music enthusiastic like audiophile or something, then the price may go up starting from 25 to 30,000. We need to design, or we need to change the way the circuit should work. The way we need to design and the way we need to spend time and effort must be costly. And this is a minimum budget type subwoofer, active subwoofer. So please comment below what's your suggestion. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like button. If you are not subscribed until now, please subscribe to watch more of my videos. Thanks for watching.